Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the linked list. When we want to work with an unknown number of data value, we use the linked list data structure to organizing that data. The linked list is a linear data structure that contains a sequence of elements such that each element links to its next element in the sequence. So each element in the linked list is called as the node. So friend, this is the data flow diagram of the linked list. Here the linked list contains the two parts. The linked list is mainly divided into the two parts, data part and the link part. The data part store the actual value of the data, and here link part store the address of the next node. This link part store the address of the next node. So a linked list is a common data structure made of the chain of the nodes in which each node contains a value and a pointer to the next node in a chain. So friend, see that diagram here. This is the linked list, and in that linked list four nodes are will be there. So here head pointer point to the first node, and the last element of the list point to the null. This first element is nothing but the head element that point to the first node. So general structure of the node, how to define a node, it is the data, and this is the link point to the next node. So when the list is empty, the head pointer point to null. The linked list can be dynamically increased in the size, and it is easy to insert and delete from the linked list because unlike array, we only need to change the pointer of the previous element and next element to insert and delete the element in an linked list. So it is easy. Now next, linked list is the are typically used to create a file system, adjacency list and hash table. So friend, the linked list is a special data structure in which the data element are linked to one another. Here each element is called a node. That means each element in the linked list is nothing but the node which has two parts. First is the info part, that means data part which stored the information, and second is the address part, address or a pointer part which hold the address of the next element of the same type. The linked list is also known as the self-referential structure. Why it is called as the self-referential structure? Because the node itself declare in the linked list. So it is called as the self-referential structure. Each element, that means node of the linked list, comprising of the two items, the data and the reference of the next node. The last node has the reference to the null. The entry point into the linked list is called as the head of the list. This head is also known as the first node of the linked list. It should be noted that head is not a separate node but the reference of the first node. Now if the list is empty, then the head is a null reference. So what is the linked list? Each linked list consists of series of node. So the node A has two parts. One is the data part which consists of 5 and the 5 as a data, and second part which contain the address of the next node. So see this diagram. This is the linked list block. Here 5 is as a data. That means the linked list have three node. The node 1 contain the data and info and address, info and address, info and address, this like. So 5 is stored into the node 1 and 2000 is the address of the node 2. Now 8 is the value that are stored in the node 2, and what is the 3000? 3000 is the address of the node 3 in this way, and here is the 0 because the node 3 have not a next node. So it will be stored the address of null. So friend, the linked list is creating using the following element. Here node. Linked list is the collection of number of nodes. Address field in the node. The address field in the node is used to keep the address of the next node. We had seen in the previous diagram. So the data field in the node which contain to hold the data inside the linked list. So we can represent a linked list in a real life using the train, in which all the bogies are node and two coaches are connected using the connector. So in the case of railway, we have people sitting arrangement inside the coaches is called as the data part of the linked list, and which connection between two bogies is a address field of the linked list. So linked list train also have last coach which is not further connected to any of the bogie. So engine can be called the first node of the linked list. So in the real life, it is the simple example how linked list will be defined. Linked list is nothing but the train like structure. Here engine is the first node and we connected one by one bogie with the help of the link part. So this is the best example of the linked list. Hope friend you have to understand today's video. In the next video we are going to discuss about the types of linked list and description of the types. Thank you friend.